If you love animals but haven't seen a gorilla's chest beat, you're missing out. Let's dive in. Imagine this, a massive silverback gorilla standing tall and thumping his chest like a drum. It's not just for show. This primal display is a powerful mix of communication and intimidation. Gorillas beat their chests to show strength and to keep rivals at bay. Each thump echoes through the jungle, sending a clear message: I'm here and I'm the boss. But it's not all about aggression. Chest beating also helps gorillas bond and establish social hierarchies, and let's face it, it's just plain awesome to watch. So, next time you see one of these incredible creatures, listen closely. You might just hear the king of the jungle making his presence known. Stay tuned for more wild wonders, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts.